Okay.
That helps a lot to see the time. Makes a little difference.
Was it videoing?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what you want to see in front of you. Just want to see the road.
Yeah. Rad, an electric scooter.
Let's just see. You don't think that my dad's better? I do. I found one that'll work.